Connection to nature and the elements, Earth Meditation. So welcome to this guided meditation for connecting to nature and the elements. In our fast-paced lives, we often forget that we are deeply connected to the natural world. And today's practice will help us reconnect with the earth, grounding our energy and finding stability within. As you find your comfortable seated position or lie down today, let's gently close the eyes and take a moment to settle into your space. And take a deep breath in through the nose and a nice long, slow exhale through the mouth. Allowing the body to soften, letting go of any tension that's present. Bring your awareness to your natural breath and inhale deeply through the nose, feeling the breath expand in your chest. And again, we're going to exhale slowly through the mouth, releasing any tightness or stress. So with each inhale, imagine drawing in fresh, pure energy from the earth. And with each exhale, imagine releasing the tension, letting it melt into the ground. And you can return your breath to its natural rhythm, just in and out through the nose. And as we just simply focus on the breath here, if your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the rhythm of your breath. And remember, your breath is your anchor, always here to support you. And continue breathing with ease, feeling yourself becoming more present, more grounded. Now imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful, natural setting. It could be a quiet forest, a mountaintop, a vast open field, or anywhere you feel deeply connected to nature. Feel the solid ground beneath you, steady and unwavering. If you like, you can picture roots growing from your body, extending deep into the earth. And with each breath, your roots grow stronger, reaching deeper into the soil. The earth holds you, it supports you, it nourishes you. Feel the gentle pulse of the earth's energy beneath you, offering stability and calm. Breathe into this connection, knowing that you are a part of something greater, something ancient and wise. Now imagine the four elements surrounding you, each bringing its own unique balance. So the earth, stability, grounding, strength. Water, flow, adaptability, emotional ease. Fire, energy, confidence, transformation. Air, clarity, spaciousness, freedom. So one by one, visualize these elements merging into your being. So starting with earth, feel the steadiness of the earth beneath you, holding you firm and strong. Imagine a gentle stream flowing through you, washing away all tension. Sense a warm inner fire, igniting confidence and clarity. Feel the fresh, crisp air now filling your lungs, bringing renewal and openness. And as you absorb these elements, you feel whole, balanced, and at peace. You are a part of nature. You are connected to all things. Bring your awareness back to your body, bringing movement to your fingers and toes. Take a final deep inhale, absorbing the earth's grounding energy, and exhale fully, carrying this connection with you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And may you walk through your day feeling grounded, supported, and in harmony with nature.